Yeah, hello friends. Today I'm going to show you how to extract, okay, oil. Have you seen this? All this, okay? So I'll be showing you. Guess today what I have brought to you. Now I'm going to show you how to extract oil from stem. When you get have you seen the seeds? We have different kinds. They are the same anyway. This one is the white one. Yeah, this one is the white one. Then this one is already fried. That's why it has darkened a little bit. Stem is very, very good. It has a lot of health benefit because it contains calcium, and we know what calcium does to the bone. It contains zinc. It has a lot of fiber, which lubricates the intestine to discharge whatever it is. You get it? So stem oil is very, very good. Yeah. So the way to do it now, when you get any of your choice, when you blend or crush these ones, then it depends on the quantity you want to keep, of course, or you want to do. So, but let's assume that you want to be having a lot of it. Have you seen my bucket? This is my stem. Have you seen it? I love the smoked one. So when you get this white one, put in a saucepan, you fry to give you exactly this color. When you get this color, you crush it, you blend it, it becomes powder, becomes in powder form. Then you then pour in a bucket and they cover it properly. You just keep getting your oil, scooping the oil or pouring the oil out. So look at it here. Look at it here. Let me just get out the pot and show you something. This is stem oil. This is stem oil. Got it from the white one, the one not smoked. Have you seen how bright the oil is? Then this one, the smoked one, will give you a darker color. This is stem. Are you seeing it? The oil has floated on top. So you discharge the oil. This is my oil. Have you seen it? This is the oil. And this oil you can use for dressing. What I mean dressing, your salads. You get it, you can put on top of salad where you are eating. You can put on top of rice. You can get the quantity you want. Have you seen it? Very good, very healthy, very, very healthy. And I've told you the content, the nutrient content in it. So I advise you from today, start using it for children. Cholesterol is low. It doesn't have cholesterol in it. Rather, it lowers the LDL. Yeah, it lowers the LDL. It doesn't have saturated fat. So I advise you to try it on. It's better than any kind of oil where you can use in your kitchen there. Okay, after olive oil, this one is another good oil to use. Keep linking and connecting people to this platform, knowing that what health is through wealth.